How to add clock widget to home screen on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the quick way to add clock widget to home screen on Android. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, long press on empty space on the lock screen or the home screen of your Android device. Tap widgets at the bottom of the screen. Now at the top you will get clock and there are different designs of clock widgets that you can add to your home screen. You can simply swipe and choose any one. The ratios have different kinds of ratios like 4:3, 4:3, that is the world clock which has 4:2 aspect ratio. Whichever design you like, you can add any one to your home screen. Suppose I want to add this world clock. Let's add it. Here we have got it on our home screen. You can add it anywhere by holding it and place it anywhere you would like to. Suppose I want here, you can easily resize this as well if you wish to. Or if you don't like this widget, you can tap on the minus icon or the sign and tap on remove widget as well and choose another widget that you wish to. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.